Hello, this is my 2013 fireworks stash. I got some bottle rockets. Let me see. These are Whistling Moon Travelers with reported 12 piece in a pack. As you can see, from Boomer. I got a few of these. I got more here. I got Roman candles. These are let me see. These are from Mega Banger, 8 balls. Mega Banger Sky Thunder. Let me see. Says shooting flaming balls with report. Performance. Color trail with thunder. Has to be nice. I got like, let me see, I got like 3 of these, and I just got one Magic Sky shooting flaming balls with report. Let me see. Performance, color changing stars, pretty nice. 8 ball from Mega Banger. Yeah. And I got some festival balls from Cutting Edge artillery shells. 6 different effects. It says these are the effects on the side. Pretty cool. And then it shows you how to put it in too. It's crazy. Your fire safety. Same thing on the other side. Shooting flammable balls. And here they are. My artillery shells. Festival balls. These are my 2013 fireworks stash. Thanks for watching.